So yeah, whenever my little cousins visit, I just unplug the power cable from the motherboard and turn on my PC using my phone. Sometimes, even if you love people, you gotta protect your gear. Because yeah, my PC, that's my baby. And that's why I set up Wake-on-LAN. It lets me power on my system from anywhere, totally touchless. Let me show you how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Enter BIOS. 2 easy ways. First, let's get into the BIOS. If your PC is on, no need to restart the old-fashioned way. Just press Windows and I to open settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Advanced Options. Scroll to Recovery. Then hit Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Your PC will reboot into a special blue screen. Click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and select UEFI Firmware Settings. That'll get you straight into BIOS. Now, if your PC is shut down, go the classic route. Turn it on and press F2 repeatedly. That's the key for the Asus B650MA motherboard. Inside BIOS, press F7 to switch into advanced mode. Go to the Advanced tab and open APM Configuration. You'll find 2 settings here. Power on by PCIe, enable it. This allows the LAN port to wake the PC. ERP ready, disable it. Otherwise, your LAN port loses power after shutdown, and Wake-on-LAN won't work. Hit F10, save and exit. BIOS part done. Step 3. Windows Setup, Magic Packet Permissions. Back in Windows, right-click the Start button, open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters and find your LAN adapter, usually called Realtek Gaming GBE Controller. Right-click Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. Allow this device to wake the computer. Only allow a magic packet to wake the computer. Now switch to the Advanced tab. Find Wake on Magic Packet and set it to Enabled. Now your system will stay quietly alert, waiting for the signal. Now, on your phone, open Wake-on-LAN by Mike Webb. You'll see 3 lines on the top left. That's the menu where you can tweak groups or configs later. Let's skip all that for now and focus on setup. Tap the plus icon at the bottom to add a device. If you're connected to the same Wi-Fi, you'll see all devices on your network. Just choose your PC from the list. I'm picking mine by IP address. Usually, the only missing thing will be the MAC address. So let's head back to the PC and get what we need. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Now type ipconfig all and press Enter. Scroll until you see your active adapter. I'm using Ethernet here. You'll need 2 things. IPv4 address, this is your PC's local IP. Physical address, this is your MAC address. These 2 go back into the app. Now manually enter everything. Device name. Anything you like, Xplody Beast works. Group. Leave as is or create one later from the menu. MAC address. That's your physical address from CMD. Device IP. Your IPv4 address. Broadcast IP. Just replace the last digit of your IP with 255. So if your IP is 192.168.0.105, type 192.168.0.255. WOL port. Use 9. Device ID, just type 1. Secure on password, leave it blank unless you need security. I personally don't use it. My phone's already mine. Wi-Fi network, leave blank. All other fields, default is fine. Hit save and you're ready. Shut down your PC and now try tapping Wake on your phone. Watch what happens. Now you get why I set it up, right? It's not just for fun, it's survival. Because the next time someone's about to spam your power button like it's a game, just smile, unplug the cable, and wake your PC like a boss.